Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Maniniri, a university cybersecurity lecturer and researcher based in Oxford in the UK, and I care about helping students use AI in a smarter way. Most students only use half of ChatGPT's real power. But if you add these 5 short sentences to the end of your prompt, the quality of the answers jumps instantly. Let me show you. These aren't magic tricks. They work because ChatGPT follows instructions extremely closely. If you give it vague prompts, you get vague answers. If you give it precise instructions, you get precise, high-quality help. This one is powerful. Most students give ChatGPT half the information it needs. When you add this sentence, ChatGPT interviews you first. So the final answer is tailored to you. Instead of guessing, it asks what matters. The result is always better. This is my favorite for difficult subject. Instead of a dense textbook explanation, you get something clear, simple, and actually understandable. Students instantly relate to this one. This is a useful prompt even for university students because it forces clarity. Tables are perfect for revision. Your brain compares information faster when it's side by side. This works brilliantly for theories, definitions, case studies, and exam topics. Most students stop after reading. Top students test themselves. This sentence turns ChatGPT into a mini quiz generator, perfect for active recall. This forces ChatGPT to raise the quality of its response. Instead of an average explanation, you get a model answer you can learn from. Not copy, but learn from. If you want to take this even further, watch my previous video, how to turn any ChatGPT prompt into an answer. It teaches the role and task and format method, the foundations that makes all of these secret sentences even more powerful. It's the video that ties everything together. You don't need all 5 every time. Pick the ones that match your task. 2 or 3 together can completely transform the answer. This is where magic happens. Clear role, clear task, clear level, and a test at the end. This is how top students use AI. A quick but important point. These prompts are designed to help you learn better, not to replace your own work. Use AI to understand, practice, revise, and improve, but never to submit AI-generated text as your own. Always verify the information you get from ChatGPT and always follow your university's academic integrity guidelines. If you want to learn how to actually think better with AI, not think less, this channel is for you.